What, dogs?
What is this?
Betty Lou's hope Santa's ass.
Roxy.
I thought Santa had like little legs. It's like, what is this? Oh, Gia found her pig. Now she'll be happy. I threw it, Gia. You missed it. Oh.
Not Santa.
Yo, keep an eye on those two.
This guy keeps biting my big toe.
Yeah, he loves biting toes.
That's not.
Number 23.
They're being so quiet. It's weird.
Number 22.
Gee.
No, they're just kind of going for a little adventure. Follow the leader type shit.
Oh my god, what if they formed like a 3 circle? Oh my god.
Who has a curly tail? Raise your hand.
Okay,
Is it cold out?
I mean,
Cold out.
if there's snow outside, so to me that means it's
Get out of there.
Why?
Go outside. Bring the puppies outside.
Yeah,
Smoke a cigarette.
that sounds like a good plan.
Can we see if the Sabres game is on?
This is on 51.
It's on something. 69 maybe, or 67.
If I put on your sweater if you go outside, will you not trip in the snow?
Why are we open? Oh, I was going to go outside.
What?
Yeah. I don't know, maybe they go to the bathroom or something real quick.
Do you have a leash?
Not for the little one, I don't know if these other guys.
Some suspect the raccoon suffers from a
What?
Oh. Is everybody going out?
I don't know, I was
often from birth.
I'm going.
Hey.
Oh, okay.
These infectious mice